Tired of tangled wires? Let's get your Windows 10 machine connected wirelessly. Today's tutorial will guide you through enabling Bluetooth, so you can connect to all your favorite devices like headphones, speakers, and more. Firstly, click the Start button, usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. This action opens the Start menu. Now, locate and then click on the Settings icon. It often looks like a gear or cogwheel. If you don't see it here, search for Settings in the search bar and then click the Settings app. Once in Settings, spot and then click on Devices. This will take you to the section where you can manage your connected devices. In the Devices section, look on the left side of the screen for Bluetooth and other devices. When you're in that section, look for a switch labeled Bluetooth. If the toggle is off, that means your Bluetooth is currently disabled. To turn on Bluetooth, simply click the switch. You'll see it change to the on position, and your computer will start searching for nearby available Bluetooth devices. Now that Bluetooth is enabled, your Windows 10 computer should start searching for all Bluetooth devices within range. To connect to a device, select the device you want to connect to from the list. You may need to enter a pairing code to complete the connection. Once connected, your device is ready to use. You can now use your Bluetooth headphones, speakers, or other devices wirelessly. Turning your device off is as easy as returning to this section of settings and turning the Bluetooth toggle off again, and that's it. Now you know how to enable Bluetooth on your Windows 10 computer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. #Windows 10 Bluetooth #wireless setup.